So these ocean gyres have created garbage patches within our oceans in many different spots. Basically, they circle large areas of stationary and calm water, and the debris can accumulate for years within those areas because of the lack of movement. There are significant garbage patches in the Indian Ocean, the North Atlantic Ocean, and the North Pacific Ocean. Um, One of them is called the Pacific Trash Vortex or the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which is the biggest one that people talk about. Um, Debris is mainly small pieces of plastic, and it eventually makes its way to the center of the gyre, where it breaks down into like a plastic soup. These patches are created slowly, and because of the circular motion of the gyre, that's what really draws the debris into the ocean. Um, Garbage patch. Because these tiny pieces of plastic are being broken down into smaller pieces of plastic, it's really easy for animals to consume them thinking that they are um, food or like krill or things like that they normally would eat. Um, it is nearly impossible to track the origin of the marine debris because of how far away from the coastline all of these patches are. Um, and since these microplastics are so small, it makes it almost impossible to remove them from the gyres because they fit through a lot of filters. Oceanographers are concerned because of the shrimp and birds and fish consuming these microplastics because it kills them, but then also predators of those species absorb the plastics by eating them. And so the concentration of the chemicals given off by these plastic increase through each trophic level of the food chain, which is also known as biomagnification. More nations need to accept responsibility of cleaning up the ocean's garbage patches because if we don't start doing something to take care of this situation, then it's just going to get worse, and we'll eventually end up eating plastic through the fish that we consume. So it's really important as a nation and as a global community that we make more of an effort to clean up these garbage patches in the ocean.